4.6408 trillion Korean won. That's the massive foreign net liquidation that just hit. Our target asset here is NQM26. We're connecting the Asian market close directly to the US Open, tracking the exact capital flow and supply chain transmission. This massive foreign supply dump didn't happen in a vacuum. It hit exactly as the KOSPI reached an all-time high. So, the US pre-market faces a critical choice right now. Accept the Asian signal confirming strong demand, or heed this massive foreign valuation warning on NQM26. The path they choose dictates the entire structural outcome. Let's look at the transmission path. The KOSPI surged 4.32%, record high. This was driven directly by a delayed price resolution in semiconductor names. Sector dynamics are flashing a highly clear signal. Samsung Electronics gained 6.33%. SK Hynix jumped 11.51%. This simultaneous AI semiconductor outperformance is our baseline. Physical AI memory demand is absolutely confirmed. The Korea Customs Service just reported an unprecedented 149.8% jump in semiconductor exports. The demand is actively moving through live trade data right now. Pivoting immediately to the supply side, we're looking at a 129.7% spike in semiconductor manufacturing equipment imports. Both chip giants are executing aggressive capacity expansion. This equipment import data is the exact trigger. It mechanically activates an 18 to 24-month expiration timer on the AI memory scarcity premium. The supply clock is officially ticking. Premium ownership has transferred. It moved from foreign institutional sellers right to domestic leveraged accounts. Remember, these leveraged holders carry much higher costs and much lower shock tolerance. Look at the Korean won. It weakened to 1,471.7. This happened even with a decline in the DXY. That proves capital outflow was the direct mechanical cause of the weakness. Execution mode, NQM26 and the US 10-year, transitioning instantly into strict execution parameters. We are establishing a bullish primary outlook while guarding strictly against a bearish trap. These parameters are absolute. Absolute key pivot level for NQM26, 29,313. Hold above 29,313. Maintain selective long positions in AI hardware supply chain names. Breach below 29,313. Reduce position size by 50% immediately. Then verify the US 10-year yield direction. US 10-year yield pivot is set at 4.40%. Holding below 4.40 validates the Korean demand confirmation. Breach 4.45%. Liquidate all longs instantly. Breaking this level completely invalidates the Asian signal. Final checklist. Core variables. These are required to confirm the thesis tonight. Confirming data. We need to track existing home sales, WTI, and the VIX. April home sales consensus is 4.05 million. A print above that acts as a consumption recovery signal, forcing short-term yield rise pressure. If WTI crude breaks above $100 and the VIX simultaneously exceeds 20, switch to capital preservation mode. Under this volatility regime, the rules are strict. Execute a 1.5% trailing stop and reduce all position sizes. Finally, monitor the Korean 10-year yield at 3.949%. This is our baseline stress indicator. If you would like to receive news on the closing of Asian stock markets before the New York stock market opens, please subscribe.